Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you how you can change password for your OpenAI account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. And there you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now once you search for it, you will be taken to the home page of ChatGPT. Now there you will be able to see two buttons on your screen. Now in order to change your password, you have to tap on login button. And there in the login page, you have to type in your email address correctly. And after that, tap on continue button. And there you will be taken to the next page. Now in order to change your password, you have to tap on forget password link beneath your password box. And there your email address will be automatically typed in. You just need to tap on continue button to get email from OpenAI to reset your passwords. Now tap on continue button. And there you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now check your email. And there once you open up your email, you have to tap on reset password button. And then a new tab will open up on your screen. Now there you will be able to create a new password for your account. Now create a new password which must be at least 8 characters long. And then retype your password in the next field. And then tap on reset button. And there you go, you have successfully changed your password. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can change your OpenAI account password. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.